Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. After opening the toilet lid and seat, hold the lid firmly and lift it upwards. Once the toilet seat lid assembly is slightly lifted, move it backward. You will see hoses and cables. First, remove the side flush hose. The side flush hose can be unscrewed by hand. Remove the bottom flush hose. The water supply hose will need a wrench to remove. Turn the wrench clockwise to unscrew. After removing the hoses, unscrew the foot sensor cable. Disconnect the foot sensor cable. Reel in the power cable. Now remove the toilet seat lid assembly. Put it aside. Prepare the tools. Once the toilet seat lid assembly is removed from the ceramic toilet bowl, you will see the back of the assembly. There are screws connecting the cover and the base. There are 4 screws to be removed. Unscrew all the fixed screws. Pry open the clips between the cover and the base. Open the base and the cover. You will find that there are still connecting cables between the base and the cover. Remove the connecting cables. Set the base aside. Remove the remaining 3 components. Between the seat and the lid, the motor damping drives the mechanism. First, you need to remove the motor and electric damping. Pull them out carefully. Be mindful that the electric damping shaft has a specific installation direction. Remove the metal sleeve, which also has a specific installation direction. Now, remove the seat. Organize the cables neatly. To remove the seat, open it like this. It will require some force. The shaft and the lid need to be offset to be removed, so you can pull it out. Once the entire seat is removed, replace it with a new seat. Organize the cables and feed them through the shaft hole on the other side. Once fed through, fully insert the clip on this side. Align the top part and lay the seat lid flat. The shaft hole between the motor and the seat is vertical. When installing, ensure that the motor connector is in a vertical position. Insert the metal sleeve, making sure to align the direction of the motor bearing. Vertical insertion. Similarly, insert the motor in a vertical position. Screw in the fixing screw securely. After tightening the screws, test the lid to make sure the opening and closing function properly. Take base back and install it. Reconnect the connecting cables to the main board. Once the connections are done, join the base and the cover together. Pay attention to the clips on this side. Also, pay attention to the clips at the back. Combine base and cover. Tighten the base's fixing screws again. Once all the screws are tightened, the assembly is complete. Reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly onto the ceramic toilet bowl. First, install the foot sensor cable. The foot sensor cable has a specific insertion direction. There is a notch on the top. Once the foot sensor cable is connected, install the water supply hose. Use a wrench to tighten the water supply hose. Next, install the side flush hose, which is located on the side of the toilet. Install the bottom flush hose. After tightening the hoses, check to make sure there are no issues and that they are all securely tightened. Finally, reinstall the toilet seat lid assembly.